We are very happy that our party has been recognized as a state political party, and we really thank Election Commission of India. And everyone is happy here in Tripura Motha because Tripura Motha party is one of the very new party here in Tripura, and within less than 2 years, remarkably, we have done well by winning 13 assembly constituencies in the last assembly election. And definitely, this recognition will help us because if a party is recognized, the symbol is also fixed. So, pineapple symbol will be our symbol now throughout the state. Next village committee election and all local body elections, even in the coming ADC election, pineapple symbol will be our symbol now. We also will have stake to represent various political meetings. We can represent there and we can uh, express our views on different political scenario here in Tripura. We can raise our demand. We will have greater platform to talk about our issues, and also we can have good coordination, good cooperation with other state political parties in the northeast region. And in the coming parliament election, I think such coordination will be very vital for the entire northeastern states.